and welcome to another episode of Details Uncovered. Today we're at ProVia's Walnut Creek facility and we're going to be talking to Chris. He oversees ProVia's glazing line for our entry doors, so I want to ask a few questions about that. So my first question, very simple and basic, what is the glazing line?
Yeah, this is where we do the final assembly on the doors. Glazing is part of putting the glass and the trim together. Glazing tape is actually on the outside piece of trim. Peel off the piece of tape on top of the glazing tape, and it's sticky on the other side. So we put it on the back side of the door and put the inside piece in, screw it fast, and it makes a weather-tight seal on it. And then we put the trim plugs in from there. And that's basically the final part of the glazing part, aside from if there's any melt slots or any other accessories.
That was going to be my next question. I see you adding different components throughout this line. So what all do you put on here? What kind of accessories?
Back here we'll do kick plates, melt slots, and then it'll go on up and we'll do our trim and glass, which will be stock glass, could be clear, it could be buyout glass that has patina or cores inside of it, just decorative glass. We can do different types of trim. We have Signet trim, Elton trim, we have all kinds of different trim, but the Signet will put keepers in and actually knock the trim in so it's a plugless look, so it looks a little bit cleaner.
So every door is literally different and you're kind of switching it up all day long.
Absolutely.
That's probably nice to help it go fast.
Yeah, keeps a good flow.
Yeah, I bet. What's the most enjoyable part of working on this line?
Yeah, so the most enjoyable point would be just interacting with the team, just talking to them and working with them. We've got a good group of guys out here and it's just fun to work and interact with them.
Cool. I've seen them. I've seen this line in action and everybody is working so hard. So I can tell you have a great team, even without even talking to them.
Absolutely.
Well, great. Thank you for taking the time to explain that to us. I appreciate it. Thanks for your time.
Thank you.